So, here is the cross-matching. Basically, agglutination test siya. Titingnan mo kung anong antigen yung dugo ng tao. Okay. So, yung hawak nun basically is antibodies. You put anti-A, antibody, B, antibody, and isang control. So, if the blood in the anti-A nag-agglutinate siya, tapos hindi siya nag-agglutinate when mixed with anti-B and isang control, so basically the patient is antigen A. Okay, and blood type A. Importante, cross-matching so that you can prevent ABO and RH incompatibility. So CBC, importante to know, when you look at the CBC, check yung hemoglobin and the erythrocytes. Overabundance of RBC is erythrocytosis. Decreased RBC is erythropenia. So, mga cases of polycythemia or excessive RBC production, it can lead to primary erythrocytosis. For those cases na let's say may umakyat ka lang sa mga high areas, nag-hiking ka sa Himalayas or Mount Everest, which has decreased O2, it can lead to secondary erythrocytosis, which is compensatory lang ng katawan mo. For relative erythrocytosis, yun yung mga nag-LBM ka, dehydrated ka, may iniinom kang pampaihi. So, when you look at the cells sa microscope, medyo madaming titingnan. Pero, dahil pala, decrease lang yung volume. So, DIC, von Willebrand disease, hemophilia, read on that na. Okay. Hematocrit, basically, it says concentration. So, kapag mataas yung hematocrit, so there is highly concentrated blood. Dehydration, bleeding, yun yung mga cause. Tapos, kung mababa naman, there is possible overhydration sa patient. Hemoglobin, kapag mataas, hemoglobin hemoglobin over or mataas. Basta kung mababa, anemia na yun. So, importante yan. You have to know if it's iron deficiency, folate deficiency. As I have said, pag iron deficiency, yung RBC mo, titingnan, mababa na yung hemoglobin, then maputla, and maliit yung size. For pernicious anemia, which is B-complex, B12 na abnormality, it can cause macrocythemia, which is basically malaki yung RBC mo kasi hindi siya nag-form ng tama. So, WBC, increase in WBC is leukocytosis, decrease WBC is leukopenia. For cases with leukopenia, consider kayo na baka mga viral infection, like commonly dengue, bababa yung white blood cell mo. For leukocytosis, mataas yung WBC, consider bacterial infection, let's say mga pneumonia or appendicitis. Kita nyo mataas yung mga WBC doon. For leukemia, to diagnose this, mataas yung WBC mo pero they are immature, so you ask for PBS or peripheral blood smear. Titingnan sa microscope, hindi maganda yung white blood cell mo, mga abnormal sila. Okay, so platelet in charge of the clotting factors. So platelet in dengue cases, mababa sila. So there is third spacing kasi maliliit sila. Lumalabas sila sa blood vessels. Okay, so please read on that. Prothrombin time, yan yung bleeding parameter. Basically, prothrombin time, sila yung function ng kidneys mo. So, kapag mahaba siya, high risk ka for bleeding, there is something wrong with your kidneys. Especially yung mga extrinsic and intrinsic clotting mo, katawan.